what's next?
Oh.
This part, two.
Wait, do that again? It would look really cool.
1, 2. Two, three, four, then 5, 8, bum, bum, bum. You need to know me behind me. Okay, so you go bum, this part.
Oh, we never learned this one.
That's good, just remembered it. This part, 2, except it looks like pom-poms.
I like the peanut
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pirouette, pirouette. I can't. You don't count, I just can't turn it.
Oh, you just turn?
8. You can turn those. Yeah, like that.
Sass on it.
No, that's not part of it. I was.
Oh.
Ta-da!
I almost fell on that one.
Probably need to aim with some jazz hands.
Pickpocket hands.